Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by loosening the hosel set screw. Use the correct hex wrench and turn counterclockwise until it moves freely. Once the screw is backed out, pull the club head straight off the adapter while holding the shaft firmly to prevent twisting. You should immediately inspect the adapter threads and any tape or epoxy residue for nicks or worn sections so you can address them before installing the new adapter. This prevents misalignment and ensures a secure fit. You need to clean the shaft tip thoroughly. Remove all old epoxy, tape, or debris so the adapter seats evenly. Once cleaned, align the adapter's indexing mark with the shaft's desired orientation. This affects lie and loft, so take care. Push the adapter onto the shaft with steady pressure until it seats fully to the recommended depth. If necessary, heat briefly to ease fit, but make sure to cool and recheck alignment before tightening to avoid permanent misset. You finish by tightening the hosel set screw to the manufacturer's specified torque. Use a torque wrench if available and avoid over-tightening, which can strip threads. Once tightened, reattach the club head and verify the loft and lie settings visually and with a tape measure if needed. Small misalignments matter. After a few slow practice swings, recheck the screw and adapter alignment. If you notice wobble or odd ball flight, stop and inspect, common fix. Reseat adapter or replace damaged parts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.